Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to download Fortnite on your PC or laptop. If you're ready to join the Fortnite action on your PC, here's a simple guide to help you download it using Epic Games Launcher. Firstly, go to your favorite browser and enter the Epic Games' official website. Click on the download button to get the Epic Games installer to install it on your PC. Open the downloaded file and click Install. Allow permissions by selecting Yes when prompt, and open the Epic Games launcher once it is finished installing, and sign in with your account, or create one if needed. If prompted, click OK to install Epic Games services. Just type Fortnite in the search bar and select it from the list. Click the Get button. Because Fortnite is free, of course, go to your library and find Fortnite, then click Install. And that's it. Fortnite is now ready on your PC or laptop after the download is complete. Enjoy the game, and for more gaming guides, subscribe, like this video, and I will see you on the next one.